Hello everyone. To install Newsmax TV app, so here's the app. You just need to go to App Store, search for it, and tap Get. So the size is 46 megabytes. Just confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID. And there you have it. So that's the app. I think this is the app. It's more kind of on the right side of politics or something like that. And then you can just tap open, okay, give access to notifications, and that's the app. So you can watch specific programs here and just follow the elections and stuff like that. So
Help
yep,
to provide.
that's the app. Hope it's helpful.